Place the case into position, first engaging the left side. Push to snap the case into place. Install 11 screws, making sure to install the 2 longer ones near the hinges. Place the battery pack into position. Install 3 screws. Connect the battery cable. Connect the DC-in cable. Install the hard disk bracket. Install 4 screws. Slide the hard disk into its slot and connect it. Install 3 screws. Insert the memory module into its slot. Push the edges until it clicks into place. Insert the shield onto the memory module using the 2 bigger guides for alignment. Place the fan into position. Tighten 2 screws. Connect the fan cable. Connect the EDP cable and route the cable to the guides. Place the heatsink into position. Install 3 screws. Insert the card into its port. Install 1 screw. Connect the 2 antenna leads according to the colors. Tape the foam to secure the connectors. Tape the battery into position. Connect the cable to the main board. Place the main board into position. Install 3 screws. Connect the I/O board cable the speaker's cable, the keyboard cable, the touchpad cable. Engage the I/O board into position. Install 1 screw. Tape the cable. Place the right speaker into position. Install the left speaker. Route the cable through the guides. Engage the lower edge of the touchpad into the keyboard bezel. Attach the conductive tape. Install 2 screws. Insert the DCI-in connector into its enclosure and tape the cable to the bezel. Engage the keyboard bezel onto the hinges. Lower the keyboard bezel onto the LCD module. Route the cables through the guides. Install 4 screws. Engage the hinge covers into position and press to snap them into place. Install 2 screws. Lay the LCD unit onto the A cover. Slide the LCD unit to engage it in the A cover. Install 2 screws. Insert the cables into the hinges along with the rubber caps. Place the hinges into position. Install 6 screws. Tape the aluminum foil. Place the hinges into position. Install 6 screws. Tape the aluminum foil. Connect the camera cable. Place the camera board into position and press to tape it. Attach the conductive tape. Connect the cable. Insert the board into its enclosure and press to tape it. Attach the board into position. Connect the 2 flat cables. Connect the EDP cable. Place the cable into position. Connect the EDP cable to the LCD panel. Route the cable through the guides. tape the wireless antenna.